In today's video, we'll be looking at how to create a Google form. And please note, you can as well do this on your mobile device. The first thing you want to do is to simply head to your Google page like this. And then you want to head here to where you have Google Apps. And all you have to do right now is to scroll down to the bottom where you have Forms over here. Now you simply want to click on Forms. And now once you click on Google Form, this is the page you'll be brought to. All you simply have to do over here is to look at the options you have. For example, here you have contact information. Let's say what you want to create is basically based on contact, so you can simply select this one to make it easier. And if it's going to be based on RSVP as well, you can select it and several other options over here. But then in case you just want to create a brand new one, all you have to do is to simply click on blank form over here. And now once you click on blank form, it's actually going to open a totally new form for you to actually edit. So as you guys can see over here, we have the first thing here, which is the title text. So you want to insert the title of the form. Let's say it's going to be based on artificial intelligence. And then you want to insert any description you have in mind. So basically, let's just write artificial intelligence. And now here you want to insert the question you want to ask. Let's say the form is for those that are interested in the class you want to take, probably an artificial intelligence class. So let's say the first question is going to be your name, or you can just write name. Automatically, it's going to change it to a normal answer text. Before it was in the multiple options, but now you can see it's currently in short answer. And in case you want it to be a mandatory answer, you want to ensure that yes, they actually answer this question compulsory. You want to click on this required over here. Now, once you're done with this, in order to ask more questions, you simply want to click on this plus icon over here. And now you can go to contact. And now this is where you want to insert their number as well. This is multiple choice. This actually requires a normal short text answer. So all you have to do is to click on this over here, and then you want to come here to short answer. And like I said, if it's something you want to ensure that yes, they actually answer before they proceed, you simply want to click on required over here. And now let's say you want to ask more questions. Let's say, what do you know? What do you know about AI? Now, this is also going to require a normal short answer or a paragraph. So like I said, automatically Google Form is going to analyze your question and give you the best option that is suitable for that question. Let's say I want to ask a question that actually requires options, for example. So I can say, do you support AI in code? And now I can put option, okay? I can see option one, let's say it's going to be yes, and then add another option. So I can click on add other, and then I can say no. And then once I'm done with this and I want it to be, compulsory to answer it, so I'm just going to click on required. And now once I'm done with everything over here, let's say I'm okay with this particular form, all you have to do is to simply click on send over here. Now, once you're sending it, you can as well type in the email account of those people you want to send it to, or you can simply click on the link over here so you can copy the link and share it to your normal social platforms. Or you can simply just come here to the normal social platforms over here like Facebook and Twitter and simply share it with them. And now in order for you to see the responses after you share it with people, you have to come here to where you have responses. So by the time you have several answers or several responses from several people out there, this is where you're going to see their response. If you surely learned a whole lot from today's video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, drop a like on the video, and also share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video.